When hovering over Photoshop tools, do these giant video previews drive you nuts? Or maybe you love them and you are trying to turn them back on. Well, let me show you where the hidden option lives. Here on a Mac, Photoshop, Preferences, Tools. On a Windows machine, you'll find these at the bottom of the Edit menu. And the option we are looking for is Show Rich Tooltips. I'm going to turn that off, choosing OK, and check it out. If I now hover over the tools, all we get are these small pieces of text. Now, if you don't even like these tooltips, you can turn them off as well. Let's go back into those preferences, tools, and this option just here, show tooltips. I'm going to turn that off as well, choosing OK. And if we now hover over a tool, we don't even get that small text preview anymore. I hope that helps. Catch you later.